Welcome to T2 Upper Body. Let's grab a drink and get ready for this workout. We'll start with a warm-up. We can get up in a standing position and we'll start with 16 ground to overhead. Hinge at the hip, reach up towards the sky, squeeze those glutes as you stand up and engage the core. This will warm our whole body up and get ready for this upper body workout. 16 reps total. Next, we'll move into some plank to down dog. We also have the option to do the plank on knees, so we can do it on toes, plank to down dog, and we can also do a modified plank on the knees. And there's the modification. So let's do 16 plank to down dog. Engaging that core, pulling that belly button up to the spine, using our TA breaths to engage the core. Pushing through those shoulders, warming those shoulders up, stretching out the hamstrings, stretching out the calves. And we'll move into the core section. Let's get the core warmed up. We'll start with TA breaths. We can do it in a seated position. Deep breath into the belly. Put those hands in the belly. Feel the belly expand. And you can put a hand on the side as you exhale like you're blowing through a straw. And you should feel that cavity next to your hip bone close up as the TA gets engaged in the exhale, like you're blowing through a straw. About 5 slow breaths. Inhale into the belly. Exhale, engage the TA. Feel the TA engagement by pressing on gently on the side of your tummy. And we'll do 5 slow breaths. We'll get into a side. We'll get down into a supine position by going into that side lean safely to our back. And we're going to do some dead bug. We can do this either by just moving the knees or doing arms and knees. So alternating right knee, left arm. So I'll show the alternating option. Opposite side arm, opposite side knee. We'll tap 16 times total. Engaging the TA. We're keeping this under 30 seconds. So this is safe for all trimesters of pregnancy. And again, those alternating arms are optional. We'll get back up to seated by going through that side lying push position and grab a dumbbell. We're going, if you have one, we're going to do around the world 8 times in each direction by circling that weight over your head or anything, any object, just to help you feel that engagement. This is actually working the core, so make sure that core is engaged. 8 around the worlds in each direction. And we'll move into the strength section. Grab a chair or have some elevated surface. We'll have some modifications that include a chair. We're going to start by doing alternating upright rows. So grab your dumbbells. It's a bent over alternating row. So bend over and we'll pull one dumbbell up to your chest at a time, and we'll do 6 on each side, 12 total. Pull those shoulder blades together as you draw that weight back if you're using weight. Engage the core, bend slightly in the knee, hinge at the hip. And we'll superset this with 12 elevated push-ups. So this doesn't have to go full depth, but let's try some elevated push-ups, plenty of room for the belly. We'll do 12 reps at your own pace. These can even be done on a wall. And we'll move back into those bent over alternating rows. 6 on each side. This is a superset, so we're going to go back and forth between these exercises and repeat. Draw those shoulder blades on those rows. And we'll move back into those push-ups with your chosen modification, these elevated push-ups, 12 reps total. Nice flat back at your own pace. Plenty of room for the belly when you do these on a chair or against the wall. Back to those bent over rows. $12 total, 6 on each side. And 12 more push-ups. We didn't say this is going to be easy. Hang in there. This is the last set of push-ups. Feeling strong. Shake it out. Shake those arms out. And we'll move into our next superset. So lateral raises. Slight bend in the elbow, slight bend in the knee, engage the core. Just raising those dumbbells out to the side. You can do this without weight. Should be about parallel with your shoulder at the top. 12 total. I'd say this isn't directly out to the side, but slightly diagonal. And we'll superset this with 12 shoulder presses. So we're going back and forth between these two movements. 12 shoulder presses with those dumbbells. From shoulder, push overhead. All right, put those down, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. And when you're ready, we'll move back into the lateral raises. This is our superset. Like I said, slightly diagonal, not exactly straight out to the side. Slight bend in the elbow, slight bend in the knee, engage the core. Use your breath to help push that up. Nice strong exhale when you push up. And we'll superset this one more time with these 12 shoulder presses. Good job. The shoulders are on fire. This upper body workout is designed to burn. You'll feel that upper body burn. All right, one more. Shake it out, shake it out. One more set of lateral raises and dumbbell shoulder presses. 12 lateral raises. Great job. Focus on form. As we get tired, it gets harder and harder. Draw those shoulder blades together. Slight bend in the elbow. Struggling. And 12 shoulder presses. Last set of these. Push it out, push it out. You can do it. You can do it. Keep pushing. Keep breathing. Take it at your own pace. Get it done. Nice job. Shake it out. Oop. Shake it out. Don't drop your water bottle. All right. And we'll move into the next superset. We'll step back into a lunge, and we're going to do 12 lunge tricep kickbacks. And we can alternate the lunge side. So you can do 6 on one side, 6 on the other, or you can just stay in the same lunge position, up to you. And we'll superset this with hammer curls, 12 hammer curls. This is the last round of supersets. So we'll do 3 rounds of this, and then we'll be done with the strength section. 12 hammer curls. Keep those elbows glued to your side. Shake it out. We'll get into our second round. Get into that lunge. We'll get into that tricep kickback. 12 total. You can alternate 6 on each side of that lunge. Just tricep kickback. Keep your elbows elevated. And those hammer curls, 12 hammer curls, shoulder, elbows glued to your sides, shoulder blades together. Finish strong, finish strong. One more superset before we're done the strength section. Shake it out. Last one. Take a breath and finish strong. Get into that lunge. We'll do 12 tricep kickbacks. And last one, hammer curls, 12 hammer curls, and then we'll move into our cool down. Finish strong, 12 total. Great job with those hammer curls, and we will move into the cool down as promised. So we'll do down dog into child's pose 4 times. You can choose that wide leg child's pose so it can be comfortable with the belly. Pedal through your ankles. Back to child's pose 4 times total. Some dynamic stretching. Pedal through the ankles. Back to child's pose. And we'll move into this hug, cross body stretch, big white arms, big hug. Congratulate yourself on this amazing workout. Start slow. You can speed it up. Swing those arms. Nice. Congratulations to yourself on this amazing workout. And you'll reach up overhead for a tricep stretch. Grab your elbow with the opposite hand. Do a little side stretch to get into the lat. Switch sides, reach up, grab the elbow for that tricep stretch. And we'll move into a double stag split with a lateral stretch. You can lean on that elbow and get deeper into that lateral stretch. And we'll switch sides, double stag split on the other side. Lean down onto that elbow for a deep lateral side stretch. And that's it. Great job with this T2 upper body workout.